Okay guys, welcome back comers and newcomers. Eric here. Today we're gonna be unboxing and kind of going over these Maono wireless microphones. I've seen a lot of good reviews. Okay, so it says here there should be about 9 items in this box. It says the 2 receivers, the WileyX mic, 2 audio cables, 2 USB cables, the pouch, and 2 furries. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually 10 with the. So let's take a look at it. Okay, first thing we have. Instructions. We've got the 2 microphones. Let's see, this is the microphone and this is the receiver. Inside there we have the 2 charging cables for each device. And pretty well made. I like the little straps. And these are USB type C's maybe? This is the round connector here. And I've got the 2 furries. I've got the WileyX mic. Probably use it without. I've got the 2 connectors. This goes to the receiver goes to the mic port in the camera. And again, I'm using the Sony ZV-1. And the pouch. Okay. Alright, welcome back guys. The microphones are done charging. They had a red blinking light, so I'm assuming there's no more light. They should be charged. So let's see. Okay, I press the button for about a couple of seconds. And let me lower the light here, but they're in. Let's see. Now I'm gonna pair them. And it says here, you see those 2, it says that if you press those 2 on the receiver, at the same time you press this one on the mic, then should be good to go. So let's try that. Okay, so they both blinked and now they're both solid. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wear this one on the collar of my shirt. Okay guys, so let's see if this is working now. I increased the volume as much as I could on the receiver, and on my actual mic here, what I have is pause on. Okay, I'm gonna stand over here. My back is towards the camera. And I am gonna come over here. You probably can't see me, but it's just testing to see if it works. Let's see. Okay guys, what's up? I put on the microphone. I had to increase the volume because I don't think it was working, and I also increased the volume on the receiver. But this is me really at arm's length, walking around in my house. This is what it would sound, me walking around. And I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys up in a stool next to my bench, and I'm just gonna walk to the other side of the wall, or to the other side of the house, Should be about 15-16 yards. I am speaking very mildly. I'm not screaming. I'm not being super shy and whispering or anything, but I am just being normal talk. And I know the microphone can go much farther out, but this is about the distance that I will be using it. Usually my wife is recording me while I am in a match. But yeah, this is just about, and the audio, you know, you can tell me how it sounds with and without the microphones. Now I'm rubbing my beard on it. I do have the fuzzy in, and I am walking in, and that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you were able to see the difference between the camera audio and the wireless microphone audio. This is a great brand, and I'll see ya on the next one.